Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Getting ready to do another pair of Buddha head earrings. I've sold out of these earrings on all my selling platforms, so I figured I would get some done so I can go ahead and replenish my Etsy shop and also the website. So, and I got a whole container of them to be able to make a whole lot of them. Well, not a whole lot of them. I know at least maybe 50 pair. So, you know what? I'm not sure if I want to use this bead or if I want to use this bead. Let me see with this yellow bead and see what it does. I like that. I like the way that looks, but then let's see what this one looks like. There's a hole at right here. And sometimes these holes be so little you can't even see where they are. So look, there that one is. I like them both. So then that means what's going to happen is I'm going to make, oh wow, which one though, right? I'm going to make, I'll do both of them, but which one am I going to do first? Probably this one. I'm going to do this one first. So let's, of course, you know, we do our little bend. And then we grab it, the top of the wire, and we twist that wire around it, straighten that up. And then we keep wrapping that wire around and straighten that out. You want to layer it, the wire. You want to layer it on the bead. And this is 16 gauge wire, which is easy to work with. Very flexible. So you can see how we just wrap it around the top of the bead. And you give it that nice little look at the top. So then what I'm going to do is take it down and wrap it around. Right? But then with this one, I want to give it some type of little bend in it. So I'm going to wrap it, holding it down, and then wrap it, right? And then I'm going to hold it and then put my thumb on top and then wrap it again. And then bring it back around, holding all that wire down with my fingers. And then I want to bring it back up and wrap. And then I want to straighten this part up. Like so. Holding, using my thumbs to hold all that wire down while I wrap this so it doesn't come out of place. Right? And we probably need to clip a little bit. And then close that in. And then we got that in there. No wire, we don't feel anything anywhere. And you see how that wrapped around. And then I want to take this bottom part and I'm going to bend it over and then smash it down because I don't want it sticking out. And then that's what we get. Right? Got the little Buddha head face wrapped with the wire, which gives it a little bit more character when you twist the wire around there like that. So we'll do that one. And then we'll put this little bead on. Okay, and this will be our second one. And of course we bend like so. Grab it with our two fingers, we wrap it. That seems a little bigger, so let's, and then we wrap it, holding the top, grabbing the wire, and just wrapping that wire, layering it on top of the bead, like so. Right? And then we want to take the wire down, We want to wrap it between the two beads. And then once it's completely wrapped around there at least once, then you want to put your thumb right where the wire stopped at, and you want to bend the wire back to where it looks like that. And then you want to put your thumb on it and then wrap the wire back around the other way. And then once you do that, you want to put your thumb on it and you want to wrap it like so. Then you want to bend that wire up and then take your two fingers and be holding where you bend so it doesn't come unbent. Then you want to begin to wrap it back up. Bend that up. Let's take it up, and then we want to cut a little bit off. And we want to take our pliers and bend it in there and close it down like so. You know, make sure you don't feel nothing poking, because you don't want anybody getting stuck that buys jewelry from you. So I want to take this, bend it down, smash it, and then we have our other earring. So we have two. Oops. Our two Buddha heads. And you see how different it makes them look just with that little wrapping of the wire. So let's put her. Go ahead and put our ear wires, fish hooks, ear wires, whatever you want to call them. Close that down. Let's see which way you want to do this one, this way. Or maybe even this way. Close that down. Make sure it's closed. And then, here we go. And I do like the way the bead came out on here, because when you look at them, it matches really well. It gives it a really nice look. And it make them almost look like they're gold all the way. So that looks really nice. I like the way that came out. Buddha head. So these are going on the website, jewelrybybdk.com, and they're going in the Etsy shop. So I'm probably going to make about, I got enough to make about 50 pairs. So I'll see how many I can get made today and then upload them on both the Etsy shop and also the website today. And then I had a question about purchasing. Should you purchase from the website or from the Etsy shop? I would prefer the website, but either one you feel comfortable purchasing on is fine with me. The only thing is Etsy with all the different fees. My website, you know, just a straight purchase. And then also like with Etsy, you got to set up an account. You got to do all that. And some people don't like to do that. They'll contact me and say, well, hey, I want to purchase, you know, 1, 2, and 3. Can I Cash App you, or can you add them to the website, or can you, because some people don't want to go through that whole headache of setting up the Etsy shop, and I mean the Etsy account, and I understand that. So a lot of times I will do that. So if you see something on there and you don't want to set up a Etsy shop, Etsy account, that's fine. Just let me know. And then what I could do is add them on the website, and 9 times out of 10 they're already on the website. So check the website too, jewelrybybdk.com. Okay, so this is this. So we got these done. And there's something about them Buddhas. People like these Buddha heads. So they sell really, really well. So I've sold out. So I need to get a lot more of these made up. And I shall do that. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. We'll talk soon.